Tagal ako lang may message, nagte-text. Messages pa yun sa text. Ngayon naman, audio naman. May sama ng audio. Messages, pareho lang contents dyan. Pero mga messages ko noon, since 2000s, 2010s, mas accurate ang mga messages ko, memory recall ko noon. Mga messages ko. Sa akin galing yan, mga messages na yan. Hindi sa iba. Pwede na-intercept nila yan, ginagamit nila as their own. To steal my identity to, yung nasasabi ko, may mga naka-maneuver, sila yan. Pwede na-steal ang identity ko, they use my messages, then naka-maneuver sila for their, to up their status in life, to gain positions in government, or positions in businesses, ownerships of businesses, passport store chains for franchises, for example, gasoline stations, franchises, branches, grocery stores, franchises, branches, and others, small businesses, other small businesses, and then mga new businesses na startup, like mag-internet na, mayroon na mga smart, implemented na ulit, formally, officially. May mga nakamaneuver dyan. Mga sila nandyan as owners. Kung nag-assert sila na hindi yung mga nandyan na mayayaman. Kasi may mga lista ko dyan dati. Mga grupo-grupo sa implementation. So, yung kumbaga military families na. Kaya ako ng corrupt na military families, ako pa nakalimutan. It's like, matagal lang may 7-Eleven, mini-stop. In 1970s, nakaplano na rin yan, meron na rin Alphamart saka Dali, grocery stores, convenience stores. Kaya lang gera lang alam ng Cold War, may mga war attacks from mga Star Wars ships. Kaya nawawala rin kaagad. Kaya yung Alphamart na group yan before ng naging Star Wars team ko. Ito malakas din, powerful din. Kaya yan ang kinukuha nila sa akin na pinapaalam na implement pag dati Alphamart. Then Dali, Alphamart nga sa kanila, and then sabi ko, respeto yung mga dati kong grupo dyan sa Alphamart ownerships. Dali rin, gano'n rin, matagal na rin yan, implemented ulit. Ano ko sabihin, alam niyo, matagal na ako nagme-message, galing sa akin, yung source na galing sa akin, do not deny me, do not ignore me. I need money, I need those my ownerships. Ako ang tunay, may gawa ng modern Philippines. Sulat ko yan, sulat namin even the laws and constitutions of the Philippines. I co-authored the 1987 Constitution of the Philippines. I authored the Civil Code of the Philippines. Mga gawa namin schools and colleges and universities. That's the truth, that's real. Department stores, businesses, yun nga, SM department stores, pure gold. San Miguel Corporation, mga global fast food store chains na yan, McDonald's, Shakey's, Wendy's, Pizza Hut, Kentucky Fried Chicken, Kinder Rogers, Dunkin' Donuts, gawa namin yan dito. Ako sa akin nagpapaalam yung mga franchisees na yan. At yung mga Asians nagpunta rito sa Philippines to ask my permission for them to franchise this global fast food store chains. Starbucks. Yun nga yung mga movies, mga away dyan. Yung mga action movies, Hollywood TV series, Hollywood blockbuster movies. Yan na yung mga groups na nag-aaway. Nagka-away-away na. Or the businesses and properties, territories, big lands and properties in the Philippines. Na kung isipin mo, May TV series pa ako kami in Hollywood blockbuster movies. I already co-owned, co-owned Hollywood companies also. Kaya nga sa blog post titled Hollywood Billions, $1 million, dollar sign. Nandiyan yung mga how much I'm asking from those Hollywood blockbuster movies, Hollywood movies. They're in hundreds of $1 million and tens of millions of dollars I'm asking from those movies, or also hundreds of $1 million and even $1 billion or more for the Hollywood blockbuster movie franchises like Star Wars and also Transformers and Harry Potter. So I'm asking from them, may mga gawa ko ngayon, mga Hollywood blockbuster movies na yun. I'm the legitimate Hollywood movies, movie maker, blockbuster movies maker. Kung gusto yung maging leaders ng Philippines, may mayors, congressmen, senators, presidents, or you lead the government, but do not deny me, do not deny my statements that I own these companies here in the Philippines. You know that fact in the 1970s, political families of the Philippines actually connected with me, asked my permission, my help for you to be the new modern, the new political families in the Philippines. For you to be mayors, congressmen, governors, senators, and presidents of the Philippines, the time 1970s, and as planned for the future, as allowed, asked my permission to be in those positions in governments. Yes, my approval, my blessing, my help for you to be political leaders in the Philippines. For that to happen, you need funding. Sabi nyo. You need ownerships of companies in the Philippines. That's why you tried to own government companies or co-own government companies. They also own some business franchises that are open for ownership franchises, like fast food store chains, gasoline stations, convenience stores, ano pa, pharmacies and drugstores, like Mercury Drug and South Star Drug. Sabi ko nga, South Star Drug, naging ano na naman, na political families na losing government positions. Nag-assert na naman na magka-ownership sila ng South Star Drug branches. To my dislike, not to my liking, in some circumstances na ibang government officials nagkaroon ng ownership ng South Star Drug. Laging sabing ganyan, Mercury Drug, maging government na naman mga branches na yan, pero government owned yan, may mga ownerships yan, smaller shares nga na branches nga, franchise. National Bookstore, that's mine too.